Hi there, just a quick video to show you how to use private browsing on your iPad. Now, if you're using the standard Safari browser, we'll tap on Safari. This opens up a normal page. The distinction you can tell between a private page and a normal page is the menu bar at the top where you can see google.co.uk. That is got a black surround to it. Okay, so we want to open up a private browser window for whatever reason. Perhaps we're buying jewellery for the wife. So the two squares at the top right hand corner of the screen, this is the iPad in portrait mode. So we tap on that and then we tap on private. Now, as you can see, we'll tap on that screen and we've now got Yahoo opened up on a private browser window. And as you can see, it's highlighted in dark and the menu, the URL menu, is highlighted in dark. Now, this very importantly, it's private on your iPad. This isn't going to record your history. No cookies are going to record when you're in private browsing. So if someone picks up your iPad, if you share the iPad with someone else, they won't see what you were looking at. So of course, if you were buying jewellery for the wife, she won't be able to see that you were buying jewellery. However, this doesn't make your browsing completely private, because whoever you're connecting to the internet through, so either your ISP or if you're connecting at work or in a hotel, they can still see the websites you're viewing. So if you want complete privacy when you're using your iPad, you need to use a VPN. Now, I've got lots of videos on the channel, so check them out about how to use a VPN, how to set up a VPN on an iPad. So check the channel out. We update these regularly, so do subscribe. And in the description below, you'll see a link to a company, Lamnia VPN, that will provide you with a free trial for a VPN. You should be using VPNs with your iPad because your iPad's the device that you're most likely to use in public hotspots, in hotel Wi-Fi, in lots of unsecured locations. So your private browsing is for immediate privacy for anyone else using the iPad. You don't want your history record to come up, but for true privacy you do need the VPN. So that's what we suggest you do for private browsing, is use the private browsing on the iPad, but of course get a VPN as well. And you can get a free trial with the link in the description, which is lamnia.co.uk. Anyway, hope that video has been useful. Thumbs up if it has. Subscribe to the channel, we put videos up all the time. And thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.